What's up, you freaking geniuses? So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve for all the angles and side lengths of a triangle when you're given just two angles and one side length. And this is specifically a case of angle side angle, all right? So we're going to do this using the law of sines. So the first thing that we have to do here is actually label our triangles. We want to label the three vertices or angles and also the three sides, right? So the first thing I'm going to do here is call this angle A, we'll call this angle B, and we'll call this angle C. All right, the next thing we're going to do is label all the sides. And the way that we do that is, for instance, if this is angle A over here, we're going to look for the opposite side, and we're going to label this opposite side as the side length of A, lowercase a. Okay, so if this is angle B up here, the opposite side would be this one down here, right? So this would be side length B. And lastly, if this is C, the last side over here would obviously be C, okay? So now that we have all of our angles and sides labeled, the next thing would be finding all the angles. Because we're already given two of the angles, right? And whenever you add up all three angles inside of any triangle, they should add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so if we add up these three, they should add up to 180. So if I subtract these two, that should give me the remaining angle right here, right? So we'll say 180 minus 98 minus 43, and that's equal to 39 degrees. All right, so angle C here is 39 degrees. Great, so now that we found all three angles, the last thing we have to do is find all three sides. So we have this one already, right, which is labeled again as C. So all we have to do is find A and B. And again, we're going to do this using the law of sines. So the law of sines just tells us that the side length A over the sine of angle A is equal to the side length B over the sine of angle B, and that's equal to the side length C over the sine of angle C. Okay, so let's find A first, right, since we don't know what A is yet. So we're going to say here that A over the sine of angle A, so what was angle A? It was 43 degrees. So we're going to say the sine of 43 degrees is equal to, and are we going to want to use B or C in this case? Well, we're going to want to use C. Why? Because we're given the side of C, right? So C, it tells us that it's 22 feet, all right? So we're going to set this equal to C over the sine of C, right? So C, again, is 22 feet, and that's going to be over the sine of angle C. And let's see, C, once again, was 39 degrees, right? So this is 39 degrees right there. All right, so the only thing we have to do here is solve for A. So we want to isolate it, right? So the first thing we can do is get rid of this sine of 43 degrees by multiplying both sides by the sine of 43 degrees on here, or like that, and like that. All right, so then over here, they cancel out on the top and bottom, and we're simply left with A is equal to, and we're going to say approximately, because we're going to have to round, 22 divided by the sine of 39 times the sine of 43. So plug that into your calculator, and you'll get that this is equal to approximately 23.84 degrees. All right, so let's label that guy up here. So this is, again, about 23.84, sorry, not degrees, feet. We measure lengths in feet. Stinky, stinky feet. All right, so now let's lastly find the side length of B over here. So this one corresponds to 98 degrees. What a good band. All right, so let's go back over here. So again, we're going to find the side length B. So we're going to say side length of B over the sine of angle B is equal to, again, we're going to use C, right, since that one was given. So the side length of B, we don't know, and that's going to be over the sine of 98 degrees, and that's going to be equal to C, which again was 22 feet, over the sine of angle C, which was 39 degrees. All right, so again, we just want to solve for B over here, so let's get rid of the sine of 98 by multiplying both sides by the sine of 98, like so. those cancel out. So here we get that B is equal to, again, approximately this whole thing right here, which is 34.62 feet. Boom. So if you found the video helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up down below. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below.